Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a public group chat on Instagram. First, open your Instagram app and tap the message icon in the top right corner of your screen. Next, tap the compose icon, which looks like a square with a pen, and select Create Broadcast Channel. Give your channel a clear, engaging name and set your audience preferences. This is the first step to connecting with your followers in a new way. Once your channel is created, it's time to customize it. You can add a warm welcome message that new subscribers will see immediately. Also, make sure to set a clear profile photo and a concise description so people understand your channel's purpose. You have control over who can join and view your content, ensuring it reaches your intended audience effectively. To grow your public group chat, you need to share it. You can easily share a direct link to your channel in your Instagram stories, encouraging followers to join with a simple tap. Pin the channel link to your profile for constant visibility, making it accessible to anyone visiting your page. Also, consider making a dedicated Instagram post to announce your new channel and its purpose. Now that your channel is set up and promoted, it's time to engage. Send regular updates, share exclusive photos, and post short videos to keep your subscribers interested. Utilize interactive features like polls and questions to gather feedback and foster a sense of community. Remember, while it's a one-way broadcast, acknowledging reactions helps build a strong connection with your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.